Hello kids, let's do the phonic sounds of all the letters. A. A says a apple. B. B says b ball. C. C says k cat. D. D says d dog. E. E says a elephant. F. F says fish. G. G says g goat. H. H says horse. I. I has two sounds, I and E. Ice cream. J. J says jug. K. K says kite. L. L says lion. M. M says monkey. N. N says nest. O. O says orange. P. P says parrot. Q. Q says queen. R. R says rabbit. S. S says sun. T. T says tiger. U. U says umbrella. V. V says van. W. W says watch. X. X says xylophone. Y. Y says yuck. Z. Z says zebra.